Happy holidays and welcome to Panache Luxury. Adding to the Christmas decor in the dollhouse, miniature nutcrackers are made, a process which goes from this to this. I begin by constructing the arms and the legs, using a 3/4 inch dowel cut to 2 5/8 inch and 4 3/8 inch skewers cut to 1 1/8 inch. Tape holds the arms in place. A circular piece of mat board is then glued to the legs and then the body is attached. For a stronger hold, use E6000. Wood beads are used for the hands. The opposite end is filled with spackle to give the beads a smooth look. Shoulder and wrist caps cut from cardboard are applied. Rolling the pieces makes for a nice fit. After the caps dry, the tops are closed. The pieces are now trimmed and shaped. Now to making the boots. Rectangle pieces are cut for the soles. Because the soles are so small, making the tops for the boots is tricky, so using tweezers will be necessary, not only to position the pieces but also curl the tops over and shape the boots, a process which takes lots of patience. The front of the boots are covered. To design this nutcracker, real brown and spring green acrylic paints by Apple Barrel are used. The hands and head are done first. Now the uniform. A finer brush is used for the harder to reach areas between the jacket and the sleeves, around the hands, and between the legs. Tape is used to wrap around the middle of the legs to create a separation between the pants and the boots. The tape is removed to paint the boots bronze metal by Folk Art. Since painting of the shoulder and wrist caps wasn't captured, they too were painted bronze metal. A hat is constructed for the Nutcracker. Embellishments on it were done off camera and will be shown later in the video. Scleras were painted and black sequins for pupils were put on the green Nutcracker, footage for which wasn't captured, so another Nutcracker is used to show what was done. Cotton pads are used for the beard, mustache, and hair, the latter two of which were done off camera. Mat board is used for teeth. A single line was drawn with individual ones marked to signify teeth. A small piece of mat board is cut off for the nose, shaped, then painted. Skull caps were put on the lady Nutcrackers before hair application. The caps were wrapped around the top, then one end glued over the other, then trimmed. Embroidery thread is used for the hair. The same application is used as with the fireplace brush. A link to that video is in the description. Stands constructed with basswood and mat board are made for the Nutcrackers. The fun part about creating these Nutcrackers, the possibilities were endless. Quite by accident, these turned out whimsical. If you enjoyed this installment of the Deluxe Reading Dreams series and all the content presented on this channel, do consider subscribing. And until next time, thank you so very much for watching.